So recently the PS5 received an update which allows you to use VRR or variable refresh rate and 1440p at 120Hz mode. First, you need to have a compatible TV or monitor that supports it, like LG C1 OLED or Hisense U8H, and connect the PS5 with the HDMI 2.1 port. Next, you need to enhance the HDMI port. Every brand is different and some TVs will do this automatically, but most don't. On your PS5, you need to go to Settings, Screen and Video, check that 1440p is supported. You need to have the latest update installed. You can also test 1440p and check for VRR compatibility. You can also force 1440p by setting the resolution. The only downside is that it doesn't support VRR, which helps by eliminating screen tearing and stuttering. The best option is to run games at 4K 120Hz with HDR and VRR. Only a few games support these options and you have to select them from the games menu. The 1440p option works best with monitors with native 1440p resolution. In my case, I'm using the BenQ EX3210R, which is a native 1440p monitor, and the picture looks sharp and colorful. It's nice to know that HDR works with 1440p on the PS5, but we're still missing VRR. Hopefully it gets added in the future with an update.